looks like you're choking.
Is this Blake trying to get out a burp?
Rattle shoes. Even though it looks crazy, it's pediatrician recommended.
Yeah. He's already done his burp for the session, so this is just
Everyone
purely
watching this would
gratuitous
be like, are you sure you're
filming.
doing it right?
Blake, you're making Daddy look bad.
We have to talk about the
He's
head.
like, you're the one making me look. Ow.
You know, the pediatrician said it was okay to hold you like this. All right.
Oh, man.
Now he's almost lost consciousness. Oh, there we go. You let him off the mat.
Let's try the left side. But yeah, so we're doing both sides now.
You have such a cute little nose. And tongue. Oh, you don't like that so much, Daddy. Sorry.